Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we'll be working on the CLK, we have here at the shop, and we'll show you guys how to remove the rear seat on those. We'll demonstrate on the bottom seat, and you can see the top seat here as well. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that now. There is a few tricks, and if you don't know them, it will take you a while and you might break something. So please guys, subscribe. More than 100 videos coming on that Mercedes. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be working on Mercedes CLK, and we will show you guys how to remove and replace the subwoofer. Okay, that's the big speaker you can see right here, that's behind the seat. So if yours is bad, we'll show you how to get to it, how to replace it. Stay with us, please subscribe, and let's go ahead and start on it now. Alright guys, so what we need to do, we need to lift the seat from the front end, and then we need to pull it out of the seat belts. Okay, you can see like that, and the bottom seat is out. This is the easy part. Now, removing the other seat is not so easy, and we'll show you why. And you can guys notice all the rust when it was left open and they get some water. With a 13mm now, there is a couple of bolts that we need to remove. Okay, one there, you can see where it is, and one on the other side as well there. Okay, there is more to it, so stay with us guys. Okay, let me show you. That's what the bolt looks like. With a 10mm now, there is another one. Okay, it's right there between the belts. So now, what do we need to do? We need to remove the armrest there. Okay, pull that cover, leather cover, and we'll have two screws here with a Phillips screwdriver that we need to remove. Okay, get those out of the way. Now we can go ahead and close it. What you need to do next, you need to lift it straight up now. Okay, you need to grab it on each side, and now on this side here as well. And the seat, guys, is about to come out of there. Okay, this is the seat, you can see. So this is the seat, guys, that's how you remove it. You install it in reverse order. We took it apart. You need to make sure you slide it down. Those are the hooks right here that go in. Okay, let me get the light on. In these holes right here, you can see. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.